Hello and welcome to our channel Learn German with Ease. Do you know how to introduce yourself or greet someone in German? If not, don't worry. In this lesson, you'll learn all the key phrases to start speaking and confidently saying your name, where you're from, and asking about them. Sounds great, right? By the end of this video, you'll master this in German. Let's start with some key phrases. Listen and repeat after me. Hallo, ich heiße Jessica. Let's pronounce it slowly. Hello, ich heiße Jessica. Repeat it after me one more time. Hello, ich heiße Jessica. Ich komme aus England. It pronounced as ich komme aus England. Let's revise it one more time. Ich komme aus England. Wie heißt du? It'll be pronounced as wie heißt du. Pronounce it one more time. Wie heißt du? Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Let's pronounce it slowly. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Great, pronounce it slowly one more time. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Let's try some sentences to tell someone what do you do. First sentence is ich bin Student. Let's pronounce it slowly. Ich bin Student. Recap it ich bin Student. Next sentence is ich bin Ingenieur. Let's pronounce it slowly. Ich bin Ingenieur. Practice it one more time. Ich bin Ingenieur. Next sentence is ich arbeite als Lehrer. Let's pronounce it slowly. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. Practice it one more time. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. Great job. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far and put it all together in a short introduction. Hallo, ich heiße Anna. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Wie heißt du?
Hallo, ich heiße Mark. Ich komme aus den USA. Schön, dich kennenzulernen.
Great job. Practice these every day to feel more confident. Remember, small steps lead to fluency.